Scan queries let you filter symbols based on specific criteria to find trading opportunities. You can create them from the hamburger menu in the MarketWatch Quotes subtab or the name dropdown in a watchlist gadget, or directly in the Scan tab at the top. When creating a scan query, first choose what symbols to scan using the Scan In dropdown. You can select from categories like all stocks or all indices, watch lists, or by industry sectors. The Intersect with dropdown lets you narrow it further by selecting a second group, so the scan will only show symbols that appear in both. For example, intersecting with all optionable shows only stocks with options available. The Exclude dropdown removes symbols from the scan results, which is useful if you want to exclude OTC stocks or other specific groups. Add filters by clicking Add Filter. To remove a filter, click the X. You can add filters for stocks, options, fundamentals, studies, or patterns. Stock filters cover metrics like price, volume, or percent change. Options filters cover Greeks, probabilities, or values. Fundamental filters cover corporate data. Pattern filters find chart patterns like triangles, wedges, or head and shoulders. Study filters scan based on technical indicators. As you modify the filters, Thinkorswim shows how many symbols match your criteria. Your filters work in conditional groups. All of the following requires symbols to meet every condition, none of the following excludes symbols that meet any condition, and any of the following includes symbols that meet at least one condition. Once you have the filters configured, the drop-downs at the bottom let you customize how many results display, what type of symbols to show, and how the results are sorted. Click Scan to run the query. Results display in a watchlist format. If your scan includes pattern filters, a patterns column appears showing which patterns were found. Click the pattern icon to see a chart with the patterns highlighted. To save your scan query, click the hamburger menu and select Save Scan Query. Give it a name. You can load saved scans anytime from the same menu or from the name dropdown in any watchlist gadget.